Here is how you can recover deleted Telegram messages. Let me get started and show you how it works. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. So the way that it works on a Telegram is slightly different compared to some other services, because if you swipe left on the individual chats, you have the ability to click on the trash delete button indicated with the red color, so you can tap on it, and if it's something which you have created yourself as a channel, you also get the ability to delete it for all of your subscribers or just for you. But the point is that once you delete it, you have a quick option of about 5 to 10 seconds to undo the deletion process. So you can quickly tap on the undo button, and that's how you can recover what you have quickly deleted, right? So it gives you a little bit of a chance to come back to the original state and make it come back if you have deleted the chat. If it's past at that point, it's going to be a little bit more complicated. The options you have with this include checking out perhaps other devices with the same account, and it's possible that it is going to give you access to it if it's stored on that other device, or if you have deleted it just for yourself and not for the other person can continue that chat, and you should also see that on your device. So as I say, if you clicked on it just delete for yourself, then the other person might continue. But yeah, that's kind of a not the best approach, but it is just currently how it works. If anything changes, I'll make an updated video about it. But for now, that's it. And I will hopefully see you later in the future uploads.